Hey, thanks for dropping by my channel. I want you to stop by and just take a look at the benefits that I have here. So on my channel, I'm really focused on helping real estate professionals. So my agents, my brokers, my residential builders, my multifamily people, I am here to help you grow your business using video on social media, on your website. I'm going to show you all the tips that you need. I'm going to show you the solid and proven strategies that I've used with my past clients so that you can leverage those right away. I've got no reason to hide this stuff away or give you some clickbait to try to get you to buy something else. If you use these actionable steps right here on my channel, I guarantee you'll get results if you follow it step by step. And I've proven that working with real estate professionals just like you. So don't miss out on any of the action. Click the subscribe button, then go over, click the bell, make sure you don't miss any updates. And again, welcome to my channel. We are gonna rock some real estate using video.